So guys, welcome back. Let's take a look at our GBP USD. So we will do a quick analysis on this our GBP USD. I'm going to zoom this chart out, right? Take a look at this movement. The trend for this GBP USD is a bearish move, right? We are on a bearish move. I also did analysis, I think about 2 days ago, where we all predicted that this GBP USD will actually drop, right? Which our analysis kind of was correct. Our price has dropped. I also said that those of you that want to take this trade, that you can wait for this price to break below the 10 period moving average before you can short it. That is if you want to trade it such a way. And those of you that traded it such a way, then that is good. But we would want to see where this price will be moving for the next day. So if you have to look at this trend, right, you see that on this full trend, we are on a bearish move. And you take a look at this movement here, you see that this price has once been above our 10 period moving average, right? And we also said that once this price is below our 10 period moving average, we can short it, right? Now that this price is below our 10 period moving average, we are to actually take the short. But before we enter this position, right, I want you guys to notice something on the 4-hour time frame. This is the 4-hour time frame. That there's every possibility that we might be having a pullback. Reason is that we see multiple rejection at an area, particular area. Notice that once price has reacted at an area previously, and price get to that level, it will definitely react at that level. Now, this is the level here. So we saw price drop at, let's zoom it properly. Sorry, give me some times. So, this is it now. You can see it on the 4-hour time frame, right? We see that price has once reacted here, right? We saw these two levels here before bounce, drop. But once it broke below it, we had a pullback that tested this level, right? We also see kind of like a little bit of a false breakout. We also see price also reacted within this area, right? We also see it reacted here. Now that this price has dropped to this level, be expecting a pullback on GBP USD. So be expecting kind of like a pullback, which would be a bullish move. Maybe once that pullback has occurred, then you can now enter to short this GBP USD. So if you take a look at this trend on this 4-hour time frame, there's only one movement we all can see. This is a bearish move, right? We can see lower lows and lower highs. Let's start this movement from here. This is the lower lows. Here comes the correction, right? This is another lower lows, which broke the previous lower lows, right? Here comes the correction, right? It fails to break this previous lower highs. Then a new lower lows was made, which broke this previous lower lows. Here comes the correction, right? And now we've had a new lower lows that has just broken this previous lower lows. So, of course, what do you expect? A correction. So, guys, watch out for a correction. This correction will give us a bullish move. Then, once the correction has occurred, then I believe that we would have another drop, possibly break below this level. And if it does not, then we kind of see like a little bit of a rangy market move before price kind of break down below this our level here. So watch out for this area. This area is very, very important. Since price has reacted to this level multiple times previously, there's high probability or possibility that it will even react by giving us that bullish move upward before we see that drop again on this GBP USD. Now let's see what this 1-hour time frame actually says, by the way. So take a look at this massive movement now, right? You can see this drop. So kind of expect a roll up, a little bit of a roll up. I believe price won't break this ice. If price can break this ice, then we can possibly stay out of this trade. But if price failed to break it and it is giving us a drop, then it will be time to actually enter to short this GBP USD. Now let's see what this USD index says on the daily time frame. You can see our USD index is giving us a bullish move, right? So if we are seeing a bullish move on our USD index, any other peers to our USD will give us a bearish move. So we still believe that USD index will continue to go bullish till come out to take out this side. So as we will be having a bullish move on USD, right? Then our GBP to our USD will continue to go bearish. Now take a look at this USD index on the 4-hour time frame. Now you can take here as an impulse move on the USD index. Here comes the correction, a new higher highs, higher lows being made here, right? New higher highs, higher lows here. We saw new higher highs that broke this previous highs, right? This is a correction, right? And a new higher highs. Possibly once a correction has been made, right, then you can now enter to go long on our USD. So as this USD is giving us a bullish move, we would be seeing a bearish move on our GBP to USD.